In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on Android. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, first of all, you need to open your Google app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then scroll down. Then tap on settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see Google Assistant. Tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you are going to tap on voice match. Then scroll down. Then under Hey Google, access your assistant anytime you say Hey Google when your screen is on. So you are going to open this button. So tap on it to open it. Then tap on more. Then agree. Okay, Google, open YouTube. So you see that it is really working. So that's really it, guys. That's how to enable Google Assistant on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.